To use Simpro Mobile, the user must be assigned a mobility license with specific access to the different modules, including access to proceed with invoicing, applying payments, and managing assets, as set in the Simpro Mobile security groups. Valid Simpro login credentials are also required. Go to Simpro Mobile Settings in the Mobile tab and select General in the Mobile Settings. Specify the required catalog and pre-build groups to appear in the price book. Set a threshold for the number of minutes before additional 15 or 30 minutes are added to a time block when you record start and end times. Enable Geo-stamping to record the geographical location of a user's mobile status updates. Select Force to prevent turning off location services and allow additional time to acquire a geostamp. And under Travel, add schedule rates to make them available when recording travel time in the Service module. To allow users to access AI features on Simpro Mobile, select Enabled under AI on Simpro Mobile. Log in to Simpro Mobile with your Simpro login credentials if you have a mobility license assigned. Enter your Simpro URL and ensure the correct domain is selected. When logging into Simpro Mobile for the first time after installation, Simpro Mobile downloads the entire set of data from Simpro, which may take a significant amount of time. After the initial login, perform a quick refresh to load updates from Simpro. View today's notifications for new and updated schedules on quotes, jobs, and activities, and any messages sent from the office. Select the default module in the app settings, as well as choose how time is displayed in the app, either in 12-hour or 24-hour. Additionally, the app detects and sets your language based on the country of your build. Modify the default language manually if required. You can also choose not to download images and supporting materials to further optimize the loading time.